Who didn't need that? Who didn't take that out of the white bait? Who makes who's the most white bait eats the most rubbish? Oh, I think we better leave them in the fridge for another day, just to tenderise.
Look, winter's.
Drop them. No, you'll drop them. She gave me instructions, but I can't see the eggs. Oh, smell the eggs.
Don't forget Sammy, dog. Look him in the eye. Good. Okay, sit. Sit. Handshake. Good. Good we do. I will get this.
Just make it go a little bit
obviously.
further, eh? Whisk up a treat.
He's eating all the food.
And cut the fridge if you want to.
Stay hydrated. Cold. It's cold out here. Super cold. In the west coast. The farthest I have been in the west coast, but not my. This is my first time ever having a whitebait sandwich. Not mine. There we go. One for me. What's that one for? For me? No, not me. I'm looking forward to the sandwich. Wait a minute, I've already eaten some of it. This is our first catch of the season and my first whitebait sandwich ever. Tastes like bacon. Yeah. Kind of. Not really. It tastes like whitebait. Wait a minute. I do know what whitebait tastes like because you haven't tried it yet. I have.
Maybe it's because they're cooked in butter. Pigs make butter, don't they?
No.
Don't they?
Cows do.
Oh. Never seen them making butter.
They use their milk. They use their milk